Hello everyone, this is Explorer Channel. Today's dinner of the day is a ham and cheese grinder and a green salad. Nice bagged green salad. Sometimes you have to know when to put a grinder with a nice green salad on the side with a little bit of orange French dressing on the top. This is delicious and nutritious. It is a ham and Swiss cheese sandwich on French bread with lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, and mustard. The salad it is a bag salad from Stop and Shop that I bought today. Yes, all of this was bought at Stop and Shop from this sandwich was in the deli. I just put the mayonnaise and the mustard on it. It was on sale for $2.99. Yes, I bought the grinder and I bought it a bag salad from where you get your vegetables. Yes, they $2.99 and $2.99. There you go. $3 and $3, $6 for the meal. Delicious, nice green salad, fresh, and hey, never know what you're gonna find when you go out to go get some goodies. Now everyone, don't forget to give the thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. Explorer Channel out. Love you all. Amen.